शायद बहुत सारे लोग ये ना जानते हो, बट एमआरएफ इंडिया का वन ऑफ द कॉस्टलीस्ट शेयर ना होता अगर इन्फोसिस ने के बहुत ही क्रिटिकल मूव ना लिया होता। एमआरएफ is currently trading at around 1,14,000, but Infosys could have easily been trading at around 6.5 lakh if it hadn't split its stock. Yes, Infosys split its stock 8 times, which is why it's currently trading in the market at around 1,500 rupees. But what is the stock split? And why did Infosys do it, but MRF didn't? Let's find it out in today's video. First, let's understand what a stock split is. Let's say a company's stock is priced at rupees 1,000. The company announces a stock split of 1:4. This means every share you own will now become 4 shares. But the share price will readjust from 1,000 to rupees 250. See, the total value remains the same. You will now have more shares with the readjusted price. But why do companies split their stocks? It's simple, to make the stocks more affordable so that more people can buy it. They also do it for liquidity purposes so that existing shareholders can sell the stocks if they want to. Infosys split its stock 8 times to make it more affordable for investors, and hence you can buy it today for around 1,500 rupees. MRF, on the other hand, chose not to, and hence its stock is really expensive and only the top investors can afford it. Now you might be wondering, are stock split and bonus issue the same thing? The answer is no, even though they might look similar. Let's say a company announces a 5-for-1 bonus issue. This means you will now get 5 additional shares for each share you already own. But since more shares are added, the value per share gets readjusted, keeping your total value of investments the same. Let's understand this with an example. Imagine you own 1,000 shares of a company, each priced at rupees 1,500. Your total holdings become 15 lakh. Now, the company announces a 1:1 bonus issue. That is, for every share you own, 1 additional share is being granted to you. So now your shareholding becomes 2,000, but the stock price comes down to rupees 750. Now you might be thinking, what is the difference between stock split and bonus issue if in both cases my value remains the same, stock price comes down? See, a company split its stocks to make it more affordable, while bonus shares are issued as a reward to its shareholders' loyalty. Alright, time for a quick trivia. Has MRF ever rewarded bonus shares to its shareholders? Let us know your guesses in the comments below.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.